This is an inline machine in debugging. The machine size is 1,200 mm by 2,400 mm. The machine is with 4 colors of printer: bottom printing, slaughter, die cutter. Also here is a camera in the feeder unit. This is 4 colors of printer: bottom printing, vacuum transfer, ceramic anilox roller, and chamber doctor blade. This is a slaughter unit. Dual slaughter system means the machine with 2 sets of roller of snorting knives and 2 sets of roller with creasing wheels. We can see that this snorting knives, creasing wheels, and creasing wheels. This is a rotary die cutter unit. Here is for the glueless stitcher and the counter ejector. Glue system. Upfolding. The first stacking. And the second stacking. We also call it a counter ejector. So the machine is with very special Korean design, double stacking. For the glueless counter ejectors and the stitcher are completely made in Korea. Electric cabinet. The wires, the cables are very tidy. Here are some cardboards and a printing plate for the machine debugging. 4 colors, so there are 4 pieces. Engineer is debugging on the machine movement. Once the movement debugging finished, then we will run the machine with the cardboard.